back to GeoName channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the coordinates from Google Earth Pro and how to use them in the QGIS. It's actually very important videos, comes with the two separate parts. And then the first part, I'm going to show you guys how to take the coordinates from Google Earth Pro. And in the second video, I'm going to show you guys how to use these coordinates in the QGIS. Right, but before we start, just make sure to subscribe and put like and comment. That give me more motivation to prepare more videos like that. Thank you. All right, the first step, going to Google Earth Pro. So in this Google Earth Pro, I choose a random land like that in my country, Australia, and in order to get the coordinates, I'm going to choose 4 different points of this land and get the number. So I put the name of A1 for the first one, and I randomly choose it in this place and then press OK. So I'm going to have 4 of this point. Click on the little add placement bottom here, and then you get the windows, and then you can move it to anywhere you like. I name it A2. A2. Then press OK. I'm gonna have 4 of them. A3. As you can see, once I press OK, all these points added to this placement bar here, and I'm gonna have 4 of them. So add another one, A4, and then I'll put it like around this corner. Then press OK. So now I have got 4 points in different locations, but in order to be able to use these numbers, as you can see, each point has got different latitude and longitude numbers, but in order to be able to use this number in the QGIS, you need to convert it to UTM system. So what is UTM system? So UTM system stands for Universal Transfer Mercator, which is acceptable all around the world. So and used for the coordinate system. So this is basically a system that is acceptable in all around the world, and people use them in QGIS and can be usable in other software. Not only QGIS, can also be used in AutoCAD and different software similar to that. All right, so we get that, and but I'm not able to use this number in QGIS. What can I do? I'm going to another website, so which is called, I put the link of this website in the description, so which is movable type scripts. So you can see there's a windows like that, and I'll make it updated first. Right, so right. So what can I do? It's copy these numbers on top, then paste it here. Second one. Copy. Copy and then paste. You have to be careful. There's a comma in the middle. Don't paste it before or after comma. paste. So once you do that, this Windows here will be updated. Now it's not working, but it should be updated. And yeah, here we go, it get updated now. If you zoom it, it's exactly the same place in the Google Earth Pro. So that's A1 point. So this is the same as this point you see here. Same as, so should be right. So now we have the A point number. This is the actual UTM coordinate, which is, we use it for the QGIS. So I'm gonna copy these two. So everything from the S number to here. It's gonna be your latitude or east coordinate for you. Copied it, and then I copied in the spreadsheet, yeah, okay. So I've got to make it already before, but you can do similar to that. Got 4 points and latitude and longitude, so I copy that and then paste it in this Windows. This is your latitude or x coordinates, so similar for that, which is comes with the 3 decimal. You don't need that much accurate, but that's good. We have that 3C, then paste it. Excellent. So go to the second one now. So if you come back to Google Earth again, so turn it off, go to A2 and properties, and then copy that, similar, paste, then a little bit slow this Windows, copy, then paste. This is A2, so it must be updated. See, they can a little bit move to the corner, so we get the coordinate again. So we have that for X, I copied it here, pasted here, and similar for that. Copy, paste. Now quickly go to the next one. Close that. A3. Copy this one. And wait. Copy. Paste. So click here, see updated there, then we copy them into the Excel format. Copy. Copy and paste. So I'm not gonna do the fourth one. So I'm gonna stop the video at this point, and I do the last one, A4, and I show you guys how to use this coordinate number in the QGIS. Thanks for watching that. Please follow the second video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.